The FIS Atlas Mini OTDR is a new and perfect handheld single-mode testing device for a variety of fiber optic applications. The FIS Atlas Mini OTDR also has an onboard visual fault locator, a power meter, and light source, having the capability of an all-in-one optical loss test set. This OTDR has a 26 decibel dynamic range, and it can test and measure up to 90 kilometers of optical fiber at 1550 nanometers. It has an APC port for interchangeable SC and FC adapters, and a port for the USB connector inspection probe sold separately. It has a lithium battery that could operate for more than 8 hours on a full charge. The Atlas Mini OTDR has an easy-to-use, friendly graphical mapping software called gMAP. This software takes the OTDR scan and breaks it down into a set of icons, displaying the specific type of an event being detected: splice, mated connector, a bend, and more. Also, the important details of all the events on the fiber: distance, decibel loss, reflection, and more. The device stores .SOR format files and comes with reporting software that will print large batches of OTDR scans into professional and easy-to-read PDF reports. The Atlas Mini OTDR allows even the most inexperienced user to easily interpret the information needed to identify, troubleshoot, and verify the important characteristics of a fiber optic cable installation. To purchase the FIS Atlas Mini OTDR, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347.
Subscribe to our channel for new videos.